Today we'll talk about the joint and how we use the common joint type in SQL. In join, you need to combine two tables based on a relational database, and this is the relational database is based on the primary key and foreign key. The primary key is a unique key in each table, and the foreign key is the same as the primary key for another table. And if you don't know what is a primary and secondary key and the foreign key, we described that in the previous video. I will keep the link for that video so you can check. So we have four type of join. Inner joint is combined. You have table 1 and table 2, and he's give you only the matching part between them. Left joint, he'll give you the table number 1, all the information in table number 1 and only the matching information in table 2. Right is the opposite. Table 2 all information, only the matching part from table 1, and full outer joint gives you all table 1, table 2 and the matching part between them. If you write the table number 1 first, that means this is your table number 1. The second will be table on number 2. So it's gonna go to my SQL, open the BigQuery. I have employee and departments, and we will find the relationship between them based on the primary key and foreign key. So my employee data, I have department ID, and in my department data, I have my department table, I have my department ID. So this is that means we have a relationship between employee table and department table, and the relationship between them is by department ID. So this department ID is this is primary key in the employee table, and it's also foreign key in department ID. That means this relationship we can combine and find the relationship between them. So let's gonna try all the joint and we check that. Let's gonna go for select from, this is where I from my data and my project ala. Let's gonna try for employee data underscore from my employee. Okay, so for employee I need the names and I need the roles. So my employee dot name as employee underscore name. So as is only when as employee. So I need to identify, I need the new as employee underscore name. This is the new name for my table name. You will check that, you will see that. So I need my employee name and I need my role. Okay, so I take it from employee data, employee table, employee date role as employee underscore role. Okay, and from my departments, show me, I need the names. Okay, show me the names. So department data, department table dot name as department underscore name, department underscore name. So from in here in the from we have to mention for both of them. For employee, for department, this is as, okay, this is as employee, and now we will start the inner joint. I was gonna start with inner joint. So inner joint, we will combine, this is where I start, this is from ala. We need to combine employee table with department. So department data dot department, this is as department. So this is from inner joint, so from this employee, and we need to find the inner joint, the relationship. We need the data, the matching part between department and employee. On what we have is, we have in here the department ID in employee table and department ID in department table. So on employee dot department ID, equal to employee department, the department dot equal to department dot department ID, department ID. So we run our query, and now so we have this is what the this is why I give him as employee underscore name. So you will check my names is employee underscore name, so I know this is the name from the employee, and my employee rule, so I know this is my employee rule, and I know my department name, this is from the department name, the names from department table. So and now he gives us the matching part between the department employee and department tables, only the matching part between them, and we matching depend on the department ID, depend on the department ID is department on the primary and secondary key, we match this part. So this is for inner join. If you need to change, I'm gonna say give us the left, I'm gonna try with the left, left join. So for the left join, I'm gonna try the left now. He'll give us all the information in the, now we have a new table. He give us all the information in employee, but and the matching part in department name, because we don't have any matching in this. That's why he give us null, missing bar, because there is not matching, only the full data from employee, the left, and then only the matching part from the table departments. So that's why it's null. If we check the right, if we check the right joint, then run it, so you will see he will give us all the information in the right joint department, and only the matching part from the left employee. That's why this data is null. And if we give him the full outer join, so for full outer join he will give us all the data in the department, and in the employee, and the matching part between them also. So all data in the left and the right table, and also the matching part between them. So this is all you need to know about the join. Think about the same as what we did in the spreadsheet when we use the VLOOKUP. How you match two tables depend on the relational database, and this is first you have to identify the primary key, secondary and foreign key. The primary key is department ID in here, and this in department table I have my foreign key is department ID. So you have relational, you should identify the primary key and foreign key and then use the joint. So see you on the next video.